Welcome to Yan's Powder Room. This is Yan, a professional makeup artist. Today I'm here to go over wedding makeup and hair process step by step so you can better understand how it works. When clients come to the studio for trial, I'll first have a conversation with them to understand their expectation and collect information such as how does the wedding venue look like? What is the wedding theme? After the conversation, I'll do the color test to know the undertone and season. Color test is the most important step for me to customize the ideal look for the bride. Here's today's model Grace undergoing the color test. I'm comparing all the color palettes to find the best suited color group. Grace looks better with blue undertone palettes. It means she has cooler undertone. Summer and winter palettes are cooler, and I find that the best matching palette is Summer Pearl. Summer Pearl is a light pastel palette. People who look good with light colors are best suited with natural look instead of dark smoky makeup, hair with soft curls or bun. Based on the color test, I'm going to create a natural semi-glowing makeup look for Grace. As I mentioned before, every makeup and hair look is customized based on the undertone, personal preference, and wedding theme. Grace is planning to have a wedding in a farm and she would like to decorate in rustic concept. Her wedding dress is quite glamorous, and she prefers natural glam look to match everything. Based on all the information that I've collected, I'm going to pick the makeup colors. This is Summer palette. Summer base tones are white, blue, and gray, so it feels light, clean, and soft. Colors in purple box are eyeshadow colors. Colors in red box are cheek colors. The one in the pink box is the lip color. Let's create makeup look now. After skin prep, I applied lightweight foundation as the base layer. I like to put a thin layer first and correct the rest with concealer because it makes the makeup last longer and keep the natural glow better. Mix some dark foundations into a perfect contour color to apply as a cream contour. I always layer the cream product before I set with the powder and layer the powder on the top. Layering is one of the best tricks for long-lasting makeup. Grace has beautiful skin, but there is some acne marks around her hairline and a few on the face. So I corrected the acne spots with high pigmented concealer and covered the hairline with cream contour again. Set the whole face with loose powder. Use matte powder contour to create more depth. I picked a light gray shade because it matches her skin tone. Don't forget the jawline. A mauve pink shade is best cheek color for Grace. Place the cheek color on the cheekbone and blend well with the contour. Apply highlighter on the top of your cheekbone and brow bone. A satin finish highlighter is best for summer type. Don't pick the ones with big glitters. Color could be neutral, white, or slightly pink, but don't go with any color that is too warm. Put on eye primer before we start eye makeup. You can put some concealer if you have pigmentation around your eyes. I choose an ivory color eyeshadow to set the eye primer. I always prefer to use the lightest shade, but you can use any color that you plan to apply all over the lid. Now I'm applying the transition color. I picked a light mauve. Use a fluffy brush to apply on the crease. Always remember to blend it. Take a small brush to put the same color on the outer corner of the bottom lid. Use a smaller blending brush to create more depth. Choose a color that is 1 or 2 shades darker than the transition color. Don't bring this color too far to the front. Take a clean brush to blend the edge if needed. Press shimmer beige to the center of the lid and bring the color all the way to the front. Light shimmer color can open up the space and make the eyes look bigger and brighter. Take a pointy brush to apply the shimmer color to the front bottom lid. Curl the lashes, finish up with wing liner and false lashes. I picked medium faux lashes because you can see the shadow colors more clearly. Oh, I forgot to mention about the eyebrows. Use the eyebrow powder to fill out the gap and define the edges with eyebrow pencil. This is 1940s inspired look, so I picked a cool red lipstick to give a glamorous finish. Now the makeup is done. It looks very subtle and blended well all together. Let's do the hair now. Grace has beautiful hair color, so I'm going to put the hair down with soft curls. Set the curls to begin with and make sure the temperature is completely cooled down. When the hair cools down, use tail comb and your finger to brush the curls. I didn't use a hairbrush because I like to keep the curls in shape. Give a little bit back comb to create a nice volume and set with the hairspray. Harmony of soft curls and volume make the hair look soft but glamorous at the same time. Pin one side and put on the headpiece that matches the wedding dress. Ta-da! 1940s inspired retro wedding look is finished. What a big difference! Wedding is one of the biggest events in your lifetime, so it is very important to create a look that makes you look the best and timeless. I hope you enjoyed this video and wish all the best to all bride-to-be. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.